Alright guys, I just flashed my RS5 with the new integrated engineering tune file. They just released an update to give you anti-lag, rolling anti-lag, and also advanced launch control. So I am gonna take this thing down the road and see what we can do. I've never used it before, so you guys are gonna see me using this for the first time. I'm probably gonna do the rolling anti-lag first, and then I will set the advanced launch control to whatever RPM I feel like it, and then we'll do a dead stop launch. All right, let's go and see how this works. All right guys, might as well try a 60 roll first, and then we'll go a little lower to 40. All right, let's do it one more time. We'll do from 35. All right guys, I totally forgot to turn traction control off for AMAX shifts and all that good stuff, so it's off and we are in sport dynamic mode, so this should be good here. Let's just go from here. All right, let's let it cool down and we'll do from a little bit lower at the same speed. All right, let's try a 40. Now that we're engine coolant and engine oil has cooled down a little bit. That was right past the cop. That's why I let off, guys. As soon as I was into it, I saw him. I was going to do it past him because I thought it was a fake one, but no, that was a sheriff deputy. All right, I just let a car pass me because I wanted to do it right here. Let's try this out. So let's see. Let's do... Let's do 3,000. All right, there we go. See, I got to do this with my hands, so it's going to be a little hard, guys. I'm going to try. Damn it. I left it in... I noticed it was in first. And I shifted super early. All right, guys, I'm doing this with my hands. I'm going to try my best. All right, let's try it one last time, and I am going to raise the RPM. Let's do 3,500. All right, guys, talk to me in the comments. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, ask me any questions. I think that was some decent testing and learning today. I definitely like the update. Most likely I'm gonna go to the track here soon and test it out, see if it gives me an improved time It's definitely going to help with the roll racing, but let's see if it does anything for the quarter mile. All right, guys, on to the next video.